Welcome to my channel. As you can see, this particular advertisement has come from Goa Public Service Commission and the last date for filling the application is 27 August 2021. And for each of the vacancies, each of the post, you should have the knowledge of Konkani language. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the latest job notifications. So let's go in details. So vacancies has been divided into departments. First, Directorate of Planning, Statistics and Evaluation. Statistical Officer, 3 posts. You will be given a salary of grade pay 4600 and get payment according to 7 CPC. The maximum age limit is 45 years. Educational qualifications required: Master's degree in Science with Statistics Operation Research or Master's degree in Mathematics Economics Commerce with Statistics Business Administration Computer Application with Statistics as one of the subject of a recognized university or equivalent. 3 years experience in collection, compilation, analysis, interpretation of statistical data in any recognized central or state government organizations, research projects, educational institutions, research organizations. Knowledge of Konkani is must. Desirable if you know Marathi language. Second, Public Health Department. Directorate of Health Services. Junior Physician 1 post reserved for ST candidates. Junior Gynecologist 3 post. 1 is reserved for OBC. Here you will get a grade pay of 5400. Maximum age limit is 45 years. Educational qualification requires a recognized medical qualification included in first or second schedule of part 2 of the third schedule other than licentiate qualification to the Indian Medical Council Act 1956. Postgraduate degree having which postgraduate diploma in a specialist concerned. In case of diploma holders, work in responsible position connected with the specialty concerned for 2 years after postgraduate diploma. Knowledge of Konkani, desirable knowledge of Marathi. So you can download the notification from the description of the video. I will give link there. You may go through all the educational qualifications required for different posts. Public health dentist. Here you will get a grade pay of 5400. Essential qualification is degree qualification including part 1 or part 2 of schedule to the Dentist Act. Goa Dental College and Hospital. Lecturer in oral pathology and microbiology. 1 post reserved for OBC. Grade pay 5400. Goa Medical College. Lecturer in radiology. 1 post reserved for OBC. Surgery. 1 post reserved for OBC. Pay scale. Grade pay of 6600. Assistant Professor in Neurology. Grade pay 6600. 2 posts. Note: for candidate with Directorate of Medicine or Masters of Chirurgy MCH. Degree of 3-year duration. No experience is required. Directorate of Technical Education. Goa College of Engineering. Associate Professor in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. 1 post. Level 7 according to 7 CPC. Essential qualification: PhD or equivalent from a recognized university in appropriate discipline. Minimum 5-year experience in teaching, research, industry, out of which 2-year PhD experience is desirable. Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering. 1 post. Electrical and Electronics Engineering. 1 post reserved for ST candidates. Grade pay 6000. Level 10. Qualification required: BE or BTech and ME MTech in relevant branch from a recognized university with first class or equivalent. Goa College of Architecture. System Analyst. 1 post. Pay scale of matrix level 10. Educational qualification required: Class BE in Computers from a recognized university or first class master degree in computer application. At least 2 years experience in system administration and network management and working knowledge in CAD and Office automation. Directorate of Archives and Archaeology. Assistant Archivist Grade 1. Pay scale 4200 Level 6. Maximum age 45 years. Essential qualification: at least second class master's degree in Indian history of a recognized university or equivalent. Personnel Department. Junior Skill Officer of Goa Civil Service. 10 post. 1 reserved for EWS, 3 reserved for OBC, 1 reserved for SC, 1 reserved for ST. Out of 10 vacancies, 1 reserved for PWD, OH, and 1 reserved for CFF. Age limit 40 years. Educational qualification: must hold a degree from a university established by an act of parliament or any state legislature in India. Now about the selection test. There will be pre-screening test. You can read the syllabus from the advertisement. Then repeat pre-screening test. Then screening test. Then competitive written test. It contains 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2. Then oral interviews. That's all. If this video is useful for you, do like the video and share to your friends. Thank you.